Hello, today I will be showing you how to subtract fractions with unlike denominators. So the first step is to make equivalent fractions. Then we subtract like normal, and then we can simplify if we need to. So I'm gonna make a video on simplifying and then put it in the link if I can. So our equation here is 3/4 minus 2/8. So what we do first is make equivalent fractions, and I already have a video on that. I'm going to put it in the description. So we could divide our 2/8. We could divide 2/8 by 2/2. So you could divide it by 2/2 because if you divide 8 but 8 by 2, then you'll have 4, which will make these equivalent. And whatever we do to the denominator, we also have to do to the numerator. So 8 divided by 2 is 4, and 2 divided by 2 is 1. So now we can rewrite our equation over here, which is going to be 3/4 minus 1/4, not 2/8, because we simplified it into an equivalent fraction. So 1/4, and now we just subtract like normal. So 3 minus 1 equals 2 over 4 minus 4 equals 0. But since we're subtracting and these are like denominators, it's going to be 4. So now we have 2/4. So now we're going to simplify, and we can simplify these by, but we can simplify both of these by 2, because it will equal 1/2. 2/2. 2 divided by 2 is 1 over 4 divided by 2 is 2. Let me do that in red. So our final answer to this problem is 1/2. And how I knew that we had to simplify is because these two are even, and I'll explain it in my simplifying video if I can make it. So let's do another example. Let's do 7/8 minus 3/4. Okay, so let's make this one equivalent. So if we multiply the denominator by 2, we'll have the denominator as 8, which is the denominator for 7/8, which will make these two fractions equivalent. And whatever we do to the bottom, we'll do to the top. So if we multiply the denominator by 2, we're going to multiply the numerator by 2 as well. So now 3 times 2 equals 6 over 4 times 2 equals 8. So now we have 6/8. So now let's rewrite our equation. So 7/8, we didn't do anything to it, so it's 7/8, minus 6/8, because we changed it from 3/4. So 6/8 equals, okay, now we're just going to subtract like normal. So 7 minus 6 is 1 over 8 minus 8 equals 0, but since these are like denominators, it has to be 8. So 1/8 is our final answer. And how I know we're not going to simplify this is because this is a unit fraction. And I'll explain in my simplifying video that if it's a unit fraction, you can't simplify it anymore. Anyway, so the 1/8 is our final answer. So hopefully now you know how to subtract fractions with unlike denominators. Please subscribe, like, and comment. If you have any questions, you can post it in the comment section below. Thanks. Bye.